So today the Connors are pulling salvage parts for the online business. And Grant wanted to use his tractor to haul the parts. Containering. We're in the wrong container. Wrong container. We're going back to container B. All right, another tour. Going to the back of this one. More parts, more parts. All right, we found it. Here you go, bro. That's it for you. Let's go. Cylinder. Perfect. There you go. That part is. Put in a wagon. That light. 116766. Here you go. Caliper. Shim kit. I don't think your tractor with duals would fit through this door. Did you tell her parts are here?
Yeah.
No, this is how you gotta speak to Jen. Jen, parts are here. All right, well, not like that.